Listen, this is a close one by a whisker here. The number to watch for the S&P is 2074. We're just a point or two away from an all-time record there. It's definitely a record here for the Dow.
The Dow is definitely record territory. 912 is what it had to beat. It's 950 right now. Very close, edging ever closer to that 18,000.
Okay, David and I are here. Nicole, you're there at the New York Stock Exchange. We're getting so close to 18,000, but let us take a look at some of the top performers since what? Let's go back to Dow 17,000 if we could.
Right. Well, that was 5 months ago in early July, and some of the best performers since then: Nike, Visa, Home Depot, Intel, United Health. These are some of the names, and it was actually just 3 names that accounted for the 600 of the 1,000: Visa, Goldman Sachs, and Nike.
All right, there is a downside to just about every day. Oil is way down, and the energy stocks getting hit hard.
Right, and and that's been the laggard all year long. One trader has his Dow 18,000 hat ready to go. Not quite today. Oil 65.72 in the after hours. Phillips, you can see, is down 2.6. Chevron down 1.3.
Well, the consumer must be feeling good because we've got 2 big credit card names hitting lifetime highs.
MasterCard and Visa, and it's such a different story than some of the retailers that have been not so great.
Retailers been killed, but financials are having a good day today.
Absolutely. Art Cashin, head of UBS Floor Trading, noted the good jobs report we got in today. Bond yields moving higher, and that ultimately is good news for financials that could be better in that environment.
And with Morgan Stanley up another percent today, Morgan Stanley is finally back to where it was before the Lehman Brothers bankruptcy back in 2008. So financials looking absolutely terrific. Let's take a look and see how stocks finished the day. The number to watch, we're not quite there for the S&P. We needed to see what, 2,000. We're there? We made it.
Oh,
David,
look at that, by one.
By one point. It is indeed a record, and same for the Dow Jones Industrials on this Friday. Looks like there's real strength in the Russell 2002, up 0.75%, so that's the biggest percentage gainer. This was a broad-based rally today that began at 8:30 a.m. Eastern when we got the jobs number for the month of November that surprised well to the upside, a build of 321,000, but there's still much to talk about. After the bell starts right now.
Breaking down the action today and for the whole week, we have Eric Marshall from Hodges Fund. He's going to tell us why he thinks potential reward for holding stocks outweighs all that underlying downside risk. Pete Lang, though, he sees some risk. He's from Lang Capital, telling us